Question 6 of the evaluation. What have you learnt about technologies from the process of constructing this product? I will start with the camera. I learnt how to both set white balance and to set focus pull. We found out with our camera that our first camera did not have focus pull, which was a slight problem, which we then traded in to get a camera that did have focus pull, because focus pull was a main part of our work that we produced. The white balance was automatic in both cameras. Both cameras were HD. I found out how to use the different lighting equipment from the LED lighting, which was what we used. This was simple to use. It had only a switch that could dim or brighten the light, so we could produce both low-key and high-key lighting, which was good. The editing software we used was both Final Cut Pro and GarageBand. With Final Cut Pro, we stuck our different parts of the film in, and we then sorted our film out to create the final product. We did have a slight problem with Final Cut Pro when arranging the parts in order, because they did not want to all stay in the same place. When we tried to move one, they would all move. The soundtrack we did in GarageBand. I learned how to create a soundtrack, a backing track, and layer it specifically sound and pitch-wise. The titling was simple, gathering ideas from programs such as the X-Files and thrillers such as Taken and Seven and Inception. We used a style of titling to separate both of our settings, from setting 1 being the antagonist to setting 2 being our protagonist. Overall, the editing software was relatively simple to use. I learnt how to import and export soundtracks off of GarageBand into Final Cut. Learnt how to render, learnt how to crop the frame, in case our framing was not what we intended it to be originally. And yeah, end of question.